Are you ready to advance your drawing skills to the more challenging three-quarter view? I will teach you how to draw the three-quarter view by learning and understanding the structure and symmetry of the face. We will do a demo drawing together in real time. How is my method different from other methods like drawing with a grid? My unique method of drawing teaches you proportion and alignment of the face and not just to copy square by square. This is knowledge you can take with you. The goal is to help you draw better by identifying the alignment of the facial features in this three-quarter view and to use key features as an anchor to start your drawing. Then you'll use the anchor to measure the other features of the face with correct proportions. This technique will give you the freedom to draw from live models or in real life. I'm Rachel Fia. I've been drawing my entire life, and I also studied visual arts. And whether or not you went to school for art, essentially we are all self-taught because art is self-expression. My philosophy is that artists are not photocopiers, we are interpreters, and we create what we see through the filter of how we feel and who we are. My personal style is relaxed realism. I always aim to capture the emotion and essence of the person first, and then the likeness of the face. This class is for all skill levels. It is designed in 3 parts. 1, learning the alignment of the face. 2, mapping out your reference photo. And 3, using these techniques to draw a portrait in the three-quarter view. At the end of this course, you'll achieve the skills of alignment and proportion for drawing the three-quarter view. This new understanding will give you an advantage when drawing any type of face in any medium in this pose. So, let's get started.